Alright, what's up guys? Logan's here today, and we're doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be showing you how to code your very own Bukkit plugin for Minecraft Bukkit server. Now first of all, you're going to need this program, this software called Eclipse, and it basically allows you to, use Java. So once you get this, I'll leave a link in the description for you. Once you get this, you're going to go ahead and right click in this empty space, click new, Java project, and you're going to name it whatever you want. I'm going to name this one tutorial. Now once you have the name for it, all this is going to be fine, and you're just going to go ahead and click next, and this is fine, so you're just going to click finish. And when you open this, you're not gonna have this here, hold on. You're just gonna have source right here. And you're just gonna right click on source, click new class, and you're gonna name it what you want your plugin to be. So I'm gonna name mine tut or tutorial, or I'll just name it YT I can't have spaces. Tutorial. Oh my gosh. Okay, YouTube tutorial, and everything else is good, so you can click finish. Now, so you have this new window open here. Now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna import a package, or you should have done this. I should have done that before, but you're just gonna go right click and then click go into. Wait, no, you won't. Click right click and click. No, you can just do this. Click package, and then me dot, and then your Minecraft username. And mine's Waffles Epic, but yours is obviously going to be different. And you just want to do that. And you're just going to click this right here, move it to this. Now, right after this, you're going to type in extends Java plugin, and you want to make sure the J and the P are capital because Java is pretty case sensitive. And now, actually, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to right click on tutorial, click in build path, and use configure build path. Now you're gonna click add external jars, and you're gonna find your Bukkit server, and you're gonna come down to craft bucket server or whatever you have it named as, and make sure it's a .jar.zip file. You're gonna click open, and you're gonna click OK. Now you can type in, or you can just hover over this, and you can click import Java plugin from org.bukkit.plugin.java, and it'll have this up here. So that's all working. So now what we need to do is you're going to go ahead and add two methods. So you need, before both of these, you're going to type in @override, and then you're going to have public void, and then called on enable, and you're going to add parentheses and then brackets and then hit enter, and then you can go ahead and do the same thing again, but call this time public void on disable, and add the parentheses and the brackets. Now on enable, you can go ahead and type in, basically what this does is when you're running your server and you have the little command prompt or whatever, it's gonna, whatever you put here will say, it'll say that whatever you put here. So like here you're gonna go ahead and type in get logger open close parentheses .info, and then you can hit enter, and then in this arg0 you type in your quotation marks and then whatever you want it to say when you it's enabling. So we can just type in, you know, whatever, like testing 1 2 3, you know, something like that. Whatever you want to put there will be fine though. So this on disable you can go ahead and leave blank because you're not going to be using it. And down here you're going to type in public boolean, and then you're going to go ahead and type in or it's going to be on command, and you're going to put in parentheses command sender, comma, command cmd, comma, string label, and string, and then open close square brackets args. And then you're going to go ahead and add your brackets here, and this right here you're just going to hover over it, and you're going to import it from org.bukkit.command. Do not do the material, it's like the actual command block in Minecraft. So just add this command right here. Go ahead and click it, and it should import it here. And then we also, I forgot, you have to return false. So now in here we're just going to make a few spaces here, and you're going to add an if statement. So if you know, whatever you want to put here. So what you're going to put here is your command that you want to put. You're going to put cmd.get and then name, go ahead and hit enter, dot equals ignore case, and then a string. So like I'm gonna type in hello, and after that you're gonna go ahead and make sure that the person sending it is actually a player. So you're gonna type in and sender instance of, and then player, and it's gonna ask you to import player. And once you have that, you're gonna add open brackets. Okay, so after this you can type in, we're gonna define our player as a player. So player, and then I'm gonna name it player equals, and then player, oh, I'm gonna put a space, player, and then this is our sender, so of the command, so we're gonna type it sender. Now this isn't saying it isn't used yet, which is fine. So now we're gonna type in, so if they type in hello and it's a player, then we're gonna type in player dot send message, and then you can type in hello space, and then you need to put the space there because it's gonna look weird if you don't. Type in plus, and then player dot get name, open close parentheses, plus, and then we'll add an exclamation mark. So now if this is all good, then we type in return true to end this thing right here. So now this is all good. So the last thing we need to do is we need to add in a new file, and then we're gonna name this file what's it called, plugin.yml, I believe. So you click finish, and it'll open this new thing. It might open it in Notepad for you, but it's, you know, it's different for everybody. Depends on what your actual. You're gonna add the name of your plugin, which for me, you type in name colon, and then name of it, which is, I named mine YT tutorial, and then you're gonna add your main class, which is gonna be me dot, and then your username waffle, which mine is waffles repic, and then dot, and then the name of your thing again, your plugin, and then you're gonna add in a version, and this should by default be 1.0, and then you're gonna add in a commands lastly, and then in this you're gonna leave it like this, tap enter, press tab, and our thing that we had, our command was hello, so in here we're gonna add a command called hello and a colon, and then you're gonna hit enter, hit tab, and you can type in a description, which is gonna be replies with a greeting. That's it, and then enter again, and then you're gonna type in usage, and it's gonna be slash, and then these little pointy brackets, and then command, and then end it. Now this is all good, so we can go ahead and type in, you can press Control S to save, and you can save it over here too, Control S once again, and now we're done. So all we need to do is you right click this, click export, and you want to click, it's going to go down here, you're going to click the little arrow next to Java, and then you're going to click jar file. You're going to click next, and you're going to have the one selected that you want to export. You're going to uncheck project and class path because we don't have those or don't need those, and all the rest should be good. But you're down here, you're going to click browse, and you're going to find your Bukkit server folder, or whatever folder you have your server in, and you're going to scroll down till you find plugins, open plugins, and click, and then name it, then once again the name of your plugin, so your YT tutorial. There's also got to be a .jar, .zip file once again, so you're going to click save. Now all the rest is good, so you click finish, and it's going to export it. So now if we go into our server file, or server server file, you're going to get run. I'm going to go run the server, and I'm going to go ahead and open up Minecraft. Alright, one quick side note is when you're here, let me shut this up. When you're creating this, you can't use a tab. You're gonna have to use just, it's 4 spaces, which should be good. And then same thing here. Just type in, 4 spaces in, I think it is. You're gonna add. It's already gonna be like here. You're gonna already have 4 spaces, and then you're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 4 more. And this should be good now. See, you can see I got an error here when it said could not load the plugin.yml, and it says cannot start any token. Do not use tab for indentation. So now this should be good if we just save it again, export jar file, next. Uncheck these two. It's already saved from the last time. Click finish. Gonna go ahead and overwrite that. And now in our thing, in our server file, whatever this is called, just click reload, type in reload, and as you can see here, it's enabling this version 1.0. And you can see what we added here, testing 1 2 3 is working fine, so this should be working fine. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Minecraft here, multiplayer, go down to my server, and hold on, wait. So now we're in my server, and you can see if we type in slash plugins, you'll see right 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 here is our plugin YT tutorial. So now if we type in /help, we'll see once again up here is YT tutorial. So we're going to type in /help YT tutorial, and you should see our command. So we're going to type in, so there's our command right there, hello, and our description replies with a greeting. Type in /hello. We should get, I don't know why that happened. Oh, it's because I already have a command in there from a previous plugin. I already have that command, so that doesn't work for me, but it should work for you. And if it doesn't, you can go ahead and ask me some questions in the comments, or I'll try and help you. But yeah, that's all I got. It should work fine. Thanks for watching. I'll leave, like I said, the link to the download for Eclipse, and if you want, I'll leave, yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.